1969 Chevy C10 long bed. Still a work in progress, as you guys can see. But what we got done on it's got shorty headers on it up there somewhere. And we're on collectors. Then we did 2 1/4 all the way back, right there and right there, all the way to stock mufflers. Then tailpipes, 2 1/4 also. Then he's gonna bring it back later on once he puts the bumper on it. A roll pan or a bumper, we don't know yet. And then we'll put tips on it, so we just cut it off at an angle. Make it look halfway decent. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Oh wow, this one's got stock mufflers too.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe